Dahan-dahan.
Puntahan na nila yun.
Yan, ang ganda kasi nila. O, saan pa? O, sige, last bouncing na tayo. You want like that bed? O, sige. Let's go to the other one. We will go for bouncing now. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Okay, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Oh, di ba bouncing siya talaga, no? I'm very soft. Oh, be careful. Ay, Clea, be careful with the mirror. Clea, ay, Chloe, nakikita ng pepet mo. Halika na. Halika na, anak ko. You want to stay there? Ha? Eh, pag may bahay na tayo.
Well, we do have a house now.
Well, we have a house now. Yeah, I know.
But this one is the best! Oh! Yeah. Wait, good night, you guys. Oh, yeah, good night. Good night, everybody. Hey, don't.
Mm.
O, baka bugsa ko.
I want to sleep with you.
Oh. Diyan ba kayo matutulog? Eh, paano na pag mag-hotel na tayo?
Use
Oh, let's go na. Mag-hotel tayo next week.
one last bounce.
Tara na, anong oras na, oh. Let's go na. Wala nang chance. Tara na. Can we go na? Babalik na lang tayo dito. Oh, mag-chinelas na. Babay na.
Bye-bye.